Hello?
Mace?
Yeah.
I do know the answer to this, and so does Stro. But, hang on. We gotta play some Donkey Kong, bitch.
Hello?
Yeah! Hell yeah! 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 Hell yeah!
Hello?
You know what goes on in the joint? Only the strong survive and all those other cliches. Your little white ass wouldn't last 10 seconds in the joint. I'll break you down like a shotgun, bitch. You eyeball me, son? Give me your shoes! Give me your mother effing shoes! You know what happened to my eye? Playing Parcheesi. Got through the dice. One of them got in a scratch corner and it got infected. But it could have been a shift. Don't you eyeball me! Give me your shoes! Not so proud now, are you? You miss your mama, don't you? That's right. There's no mama in the joint.
Hello?
Ozzy, we talked about putting a scratch coat of stucco on before the brown coat. The brown coat is not going to stick to the... What? Stop the music! Stop this music! Stop it!
Hey, it's Loveline, and I can say no more.
Hello?
I got a fanny pack. Some goes to blow. Businessman's lunch Tuesday from noon to 5. Candy say tree.
Hello?
Fanny pack. Ponytail. Fat bucket-headed guy with a jawline carved in with a beard. Shoot me.
Hello?
Yeah! Oh, yeah! Yeah! All right, let's get it on. Gotta get it on now.
I'm disgusted by our college.
I can tell you, but I'd have to shoot you. Show me a love, gentlemen. Put the 20 on there. Make sure and tip Ahmed in the bathroom. Businessman's lunch. 300 girls and a martini night. Buy that mini bottle of champagne. Show me appreciate. Plenty of parking. Hot dogs and dollars. Draft beer, nickel. Tammy, stage 6. Green Buick Riviera with the lights on in the parking. Yeah, Delta 719er coming in from the east-west. They're auctioning off cattle. 29, 79, the Hero 75, 75, the heifer, blackhead. Yeah, they can do everything.
Right?
Hello?
House they filmed Psycho and the Jaws.